How to add audio to your project in Canva. Hello everybody, if you are also wondering and you want to add audio in your project, let's just dive right into the video and find out how to. So for that, when you are under your project once you have done that, at your left side you should be finding upload option on your screen. You just need to go ahead and tap on this upload files. So when you go ahead and click on upload files, you can go ahead and select the audio from your device, or you can also record yourself at the moment. So once you've clicked on upload files, you should be finding the audio that you've uploaded under this audio tab. So all you need to do is go ahead and click on the audio first that you want to add. And when you do that, you should be finding your audio added right under your project. So you should be finding it right under here. You can adjust it according to your preference, however you want, however length. And once that is done, your audio should be added. Also, you can add different bases for your project. You can just go ahead and adjust the audio for that base as well. So that is it for now. That is how you basically add audio to a project in Canva very easily. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.